Let's see. 3 Duke's mayonnaise, okra, wife's drawer. What's in here? There's a wiener. That'll do. Somebody drove their van right off the road into a muddy lake bed. I checked it to see if anyone was there. I gathered some cane grass as tinder for my fire. Oh, there it is. I wondered where that was. Each year, millions of mussels die when they lower the lake for the winter. As far as the eye can see, nothing but shells. I grab a little more tinder for the fire.
I gotta try to get a little fire going today. It's cold out. It's clear and cold. There's a cold breeze coming up off this lake down here. I'm going to try to fix up this little area right here, maybe get a wind block up. And I feel like I'm a little exposed to the other side of the lake over there. So we're going to try to do something about that. See if we can get some warmth going.
This side of the lake is state property. It's been wild for over 60 years. The other side of the lake is fully developed, with several nice marinas.
That might work. Yeah, phooey. Ah, close enough. All it needs. While that was burning a while ago, one of the smaller hickory, green hickory, now they're on the tree, so I'm gonna call them green, but this time of year not too green, started to burn and smoke, and I didn't want to lose the water. Plus the pod had already broken into the water. I have one more pod with me. I thought, why don't we just try to start over? We'll put down some more hickory, we'll let the coals do what they got to do, and then I'll put a new pod in. But I just prefer not the, the bigger grounds that you get, I can work with those little tiny ones that just you can't filter, you can't do much with them. That's what's in the pod, they're really fine grind. They get pretty nasty. I think it's hot enough. I'm going to put something over the handle. A little bit of hickory leaf. Finish that. I've got my coffee. It's too hot to drink, that's for sure, so I'm going to put a little cool water in it. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Coffee booster that fixes boring coffee. I wonder what flavor that is. That's a strong chocolate. That's what that is. Let's go for it. Here it goes. It's like almost like a coffee creamer, but it's chocolate with an adult kick to it. Yeah, let's stir that up. Mmm. Oh, that's good. That is a chocolate coffee creamer. It wasn't intended for that, but I believe it will be. That is not the last time I will do that. That is for sure. Some of nature's still in there. Coffee booster fixes boring coffee. I got a little knot on my head right here. A little sore spot. Got one there. I got another one back here. Yeah, right there. I was changing the oil in my new used BX 1870 tractor, and I've never had a tractor before, just recently got this, and you know, it has a front end loader. I've never had a front end loader. I smacked my noggin right there the first time, and I smacked my noggin way back here the second time. I didn't do it anymore after that, because that tractor didn't like my head at all. It didn't hurt the tractor, I can tell you that. So ladies, here's a words up for you. It takes 2 whacks to make a man believe something. 2. Since I'm not catching any fish, I am fishing. Let's try something like this. Here's some, put that right in the pan there. There we go. Canned salmon. Salmon? Salmon to me, but salmon to most everybody else. So, getting some steam off of that salmon there. Let me see. Is it warm? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That doesn't need anything but eating. Let me show you what we got here. Some good old salmon from a can, you know, nonetheless. I'm going to sop my bread over here in this broth. Oh my. I would share this with you. You've heard that story before. We have no proof of it. I don't know if you see it, but right there, there's a little bell hanging up there. I had that last little piece of wiener out there on the bottom. It's not out very far, but it's out far enough maybe. Just letting it do a little self-fishing there. No bells today. This pan's still hot. I'm just going to pour that broth right back over that salmon. And then I'm going to do it country style. Just going to sop it up. Let's see what happens. I hope you like my little spot here in the woods. It's one of my favorite places in the summertime. Right behind me is the fatwood tree that the fatwood queen saw right off. As soon as she saw it, she said, "Oh, that's a big tree full of fatwood." I appreciate her for saying that, because it's exactly what it is. I'm still waiting for it to fall. And that's been several years ago.
So this is Mike from Mike's Wild World. I appreciate you being with me, spending the day out in the woods with me, and having some fun here on the lake. Take care. I'll see you next time. If my foot gets caught in that, you're going to see something horrendous right there. It's still there. Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.